Hello beautiful people, I am back with another video about tips on how to make your makeup just stay longer for your big day. Today I want to start with a really important tip, which is drink lots of water. So I know it's really hard for some people to do that before their big day, but this is probably one of the little things that can help your skin look just better the day of. And of course, moisturize. I don't have a moisturizer to recommend you that is going to work for all skin types. A lot of people already know that if they have dry skin, that they need a thicker moisturizer, or if you have oily skin, then you need a mattifying moisturizer. So just drink lots of water and then moisturize in the morning and in the evening. That's gonna help your makeup artist the day of to just make it easier on them, but also for your makeup to look flawless and natural and better on your skin, obviously. Then the second point, or the second tip that I have for you guys is, of course, do a research for your big day. Let's say you're a bride and the colors that you pick for your wedding is blue and gray, and you think that you'd like something in this area for your makeup. Well, I'm not sure if you'll find a natural makeup that is going to look pretty with a blue or a gray or anything like that. So I would really recommend to go online and just do a little bit of research. What is the color palette that you want to choose, or what is the hairstyle that you're gonna do? Check on what kind of makeup you want. Do you want a full glam, or you want a natural makeup, or you want airbrush? Because some makeup artists don't offer that. So you need to really know where you're standing for your preferences. So when you contact someone or when you actually do the trial, you know what your preferences are, and that helps your makeup artist as well to know how to help you and make your experience easier. The third tip that I'm gonna have for you is actually on things not to do, and that's facials. Before your big day, you don't want to go and do some crazy facials with extractions or something that is going to make your face really red, or things that you never tried. I do not recommend them. You can totally go and do a facial for like moisturize or anything that is really light on your face, but again, a week prior, maybe not the week of, or the night before. Just put a mask that is gonna make you all red, or you might have an allergy on it. So that's one thing not to do. Then a lot of people are interested to get fake lashes on their wedding day. So if you want to do lash extensions, again, do it maybe do it 2 months in advance, just to check it out and see if you like it. And then if you like that, just go back to that stylist and just get them done again. Eyebrows. A lot of people want their eyebrows to look better or to look perfect, and if you never did it, I would recommend that you go 3-4 months in advance and just check that person that they do it. If you like it, you go back to them a week or 2 weeks prior, just to make sure that nothing's gonna go crazy. It's not gonna make your makeup look different or your face, and you might not be comfortable, because all you want to do for your big day is actually be really comfortable and feel prettier and confident that you look amazing. And the last tip that I was also talking about it in the hair tips video that I did is about organizing everything. And this is really important because it's happened in the past. Just venues are not available for you to get ready there, or we don't have good lighting there. So when you're thinking about makeup, you want to make sure that the stylist is going to have chairs, or just let them know they don't have chairs there, so we'll bring some. You want to make sure that there's going to be good lighting, or again, let them know and we'll bring some lights. Very important. Make sure that you get pictures of everyone in your party with their faces, and inspiration pictures, because you might have 5 bridesmaids and they're all different. Somebody has oily skin, somebody has dry skin, somebody wants full glam with a purple lipstick or purple eyeshadow, and then in this case we can manage to have everything in our kit ready. We know their skin tones kind of. That just helps a lot for us to not bring everything to the bridal preparation for the makeup. Also, just make sure to communicate with your wedding planner, with your bridesmaids, moms, to see who wants to go first, who wants to go last. That's really important because you have people that want their makeup to last longer and they think that if they go first that's going to be harder, and we don't want to arrive there at 8 in the morning and have nobody that wants to go first, which is, it's happened before. So yeah, just to do a timeline. Just make sure that you have a list of, okay, Amanda's gonna go first or Lisa's gonna go last since that's her preference. But you want to make sure that there is a person that wants to go first, and that we as makeup artists won't get there and just start figuring it out or try to convince someone to go first. It just makes the day easier for everyone. I think that was it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for leaving reviews and comments, and just let me know what you think of this video. It's just small, helpful tips that I think are really important for your big day, for your makeup to look amazing. So if you have any ideas, let me know. If you have any questions, I can leave some moisturizer ideas that I work a lot with and I prefer them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.